how to find a Burger King store's phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to find a Burger King store phone number? Then you're in the right place. Let's get started. Open up any browser, head over to burgerking.com, and then tap on the three lines in the top left. And then go to find a restaurant. And then in the search bar, you can see a search icon in the top left. Just put in the address of the Burger King that you're looking for and tap on it, and you can see the eye icon. You can just tap on it and the store's phone number will load up. So there you go. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.